What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals of entire crypto market and of Cardano ADA as well. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that I see only 2 waves in ending 5th wave right here, and we have to finish all 5 waves in order to complete this movement to the upside. And basically I nailed this very top to the tick. You can watch all of my previous video. I started to cover this token right here somewhere at this point, and I nailed every movement to this very point, and basically for now to this point, because right here at this point where I made my previous video, I've told you that when we will hit this level at around $3 mark, we might have a retracement, and this retracement should at least hit this support line. And as you can see, we have very good confluence level with the 55 exponential moving average. This yellow line is our previous all-time high level, and on top of that, I pulled the Fibonacci extension tool from the very bottom to the top and to the bottom of the retracement right here. And we have confluence also with the 0.618 extension level. So this asset is extremely technical, and I show you my forecast in several minutes. What should we expect from this token? But let's continue with the total sentiment of the crypto market. And for now, the total market cap is $2.03 trillion. It's down for about 3.53% over the last day. And as you can see, all major cryptocurrencies are in retracement mode. And even on a 7-day period, we have a decrease in price of majority of these tokens. And Cardano has increased during last 7 days for 5.46%, but for now, during last session, it's down for about almost 5.5%. So, and let's continue with its numbers. Its total market cap for now is $82.93 billion, and its total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $6.76 million, and it is almost the same that we have for the previous day. And let me show you that we still have rather good volume, and in my opinion it is only the first wave on the movement to the upside to hit major targets, and in my opinion we might hit it by the end of this year, but it is too early to make this assumption, and I will show you in a minute in my technical analysis why I'm thinking so. And let's continue with some news related to Cardano itself. And we are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on August 26, 2021, and it's titled "Cardano's regulatory compliance is bad idea all around," says Wise Crypto. And let me quote you this. Wise Crypto has spoken about Cardano's drive to achieve regulatory approval for its ADA token, and the firm does not approve. On August 25th, ratings firm Wise Crypto posted a lengthy tweet on Cardano's recent controversial partnership with coin firm, labeling the move as disappointing. On August 24th, the Cardano Foundation integrated coin firm's AML anti-money laundering analytics for its ADA token for compliance with Financial Action Task Force guidance. And as you can see, it was on August 24th and August 25th, and let me show you that we started to move down from the end of August 23rd, and basically, in my opinion, it was the reason why we have this sell-off. But it doesn't really matter, because we have technical analysis, and technical analysis usually shows us the exact levels and the exact points where we might see a trend reversal, or where we might start a new uptrend. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you might know, we have a deadline of the launch of Alonso update on September the 12th, right here at this point. And until this point, we might have some fluctuation around the levels of 1.96 and around $3. So from $2 to $3 marks, we might have this retracement in order to unload all the indicators, in order to collect some steam to hit potentially next level of all-time highs. But for now, let me show you that we finished this fifth wave and we have to retrace it. But because of this wave, only the ending wave on the entire structure from this bottom, let me show it to you. We have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is the third one, fourth and fifth one. And you all know that 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is one wave on a greater scale. This means we have to retrace from this bottom to this top the entire structure. And let me show you this. I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom, from the level of around $1 to this top. It is around $3 mark. And what do we have here? We also have very good confluence levels. As you can see, we have the level of 0.236, and it is confluence level with our current support for now. And I have to say that from this point, we might have a trend reversal to hit potentially this resistance, where we might have next pullback, and it is an all-time high. And then we might have another leg to the downside. So next confluence level, the 0.382, and as you can see, we have very good confluence with previous top, the top of our third wave right here. Let me show it to you. And with the level of, let me show you right here, 0.5 extension of the entire movement on the previous period. And next one, we have next confluence level right here at 0.5. So what should you do if you want to invest in this coin and if you want to be profitable? Basically, as I already mentioned, we have this decline for about 15% to our current price. This means those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you already saved for about 15% compared to those people who start to long this coin right here at this very top. And it is quite good position. And what should you do? As you can see, we have several levels, and you might start to accumulate your position right here at the level of around $2.5 mark. And this might be your first entry point, because from this point we have about 15% probability to hit all-time highs and to move higher. And next potential accumulation point might be at 0.382 level right here, and it is confluence level with this top. From this point we also have a possibility to go higher, and the lower the price goes, the more chances we have to trend reversal. Nobody knows where we will see a trend reversal, but in this case we have very good chances to add our position according to these Fibonacci levels, and this will give us very good potential average price in order to hit our new targets with the flying colors. And let me show you what are our main targets. First of all, how I define these targets. I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom, from the entire zero basically, to this top. And third point, at the bottom of the retracement. As you can see, we have very strong support right here. Right after this all-time high, we have this point as our lowest. And with the assumption that this is only the first wave on the most biggest scale for now, we have to land the top of our third wave. And this is only the first wave in the entire movement of the third wave. And this top might be at the level of 1.618 extension. And it is the price point of slightly below $5 mark, about $4.93. And with more bullish sentiment and with more support from the community and with more bullish news from the fundamental standpoint, we might hit even 2.618, and it is $7.34. It is very long-term target, and in my opinion we might hit it only in case where all the news about Cardano will be positive, and we might hit it in the course of several months. But it is still in play until this pivot holds, until we have this level of 1.04 as our lowest point of this retracement. So And as I already mentioned, you have to ladder your buys down. By the way, right here you can see another potential support line. It is the bottom of our fourth wave on a smaller scale. And this also might be quite a good support line, and we might break this support and hit next one at around $2.39, and then we might have a trend reversal. But in my opinion, it is still too early to add your position right here heavily, because we have only 15% probability to hit all-time highs from this point. That's why you can add your position with a tiny amount of your money and then ladder your buys down according to these Fibonacci levels. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!